Hey everyone, this is Annindita Palaus, and today I wanted to record this short little video about our true nature as infinite beings. I often talk about this in my meditation and in my Reiki workshops, that we are all infinite beings because we are all extension of the same source energy. That energy that is timeless, eternal, that has no beginning, no end, and that is omnipotent and omnipresent. Now, thinking about it from a scientific perspective, quantum physicists have already proven that at the core of the human body or at the core of the universe, the tiniest particle of creation, which we all thought was an atom, they broke it down into even smallest particle, and they realized that when you break down an atom, the electrons, the neutrons, when you break them down even further, then at its very core, what is left is a particle of light energy, what is called a photon. And these photons are held together by unseen electromagnetic bonds of energy. What that means is basically everything around us, including humans of course, are nothing but manifestations of energy. And one of Newton's laws of physics is that energy can never be created or be destroyed, which means who we truly are, our essence, can never be created nor be destroyed. We have no beginning and we have no end. Of course, it transforms, it changes forms. Just like humans, we change form, but who we truly are, our essence, can never be created or destroyed. And now I wanted to prove to you mathematically how we are all infinite beings. Since we are part of this infinite energy that every single thing in this universe is made up of, if you divide infinity by the biggest number that you can come up with, guess what's the answer? So infinity divided by any number is infinity. And in fact, infinity divided by infinity itself is also infinity, mathematically. And some might say that infinity divided by infinity is undefined, but what is undefined is infinite, because infinity cannot be described or defined. Only finite things have a definition. Only finite things can be defined. So there you go. I just proved to you mathematically that we are all infinite beings, because we are all part of that same divine energy. We are part of that same divine matrix, or that one unified field of energy that creates this entire creation. So I hope that video made sense, and if you like this video, then leave a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.